Could you believe that the last time that proper makeup touched this my face was in January when I was 5 months pregnant? And now I'm 8 months plus, girl, and it's so weird because I love makeup. Let's just say that this baby had other plans for me because this cannot be ordinary. Anyways, I am 33 weeks gone already and I wanted to do a pregnancy photo shoot. And obviously, I have to glam myself up if I want this picture to come out looking good at all. So for this my photo shoot, I am not going to be going to any studio at all. I am going to be doing a DIY photo shoot, plus my friend is also going to be helping me out. If there is one thing I am sure about this my photo shoot, I am sure that I want it to be an outdoor shoot because my first pregnancy and my second pregnancy, they were all indoor shoot. Like I had indoor shoot, but this time around I was craving sunlight on my face and skin. This is like a get ready with me for my pregnancy photo shoot if you don't understand what I was trying to say. Anyways, back to the makeup, which is actually the reason why we were here. The first thing I did was to go ahead and use a wipe to clean up my face to get rid of any excess that I might still have on my face, and then I went ahead to moisturize my skin. Moisturizer is so important. I went ahead and did my brows, and let me hook you up, those two concealers that I used, the Adventure concealers and the Avoid concealer, you need to try these concealers. I promise you they are better than the LA Girl concealer. I promise. The coverage is everything and it's dried so matte, and oh my gosh, these concealers are so creamy. I am so obsessed. I did my eyeshadow and I went ahead to draw this wing liner, which is actually not going to matter very much anyways, because once I put on false lashes, it's going to take away about 70% of this wing liner. So makeup artistry is so fun and I just think that it has its own mind. Oh yeah, back to our makeup. So I primed my face because I didn't prime my face earlier. For foundation, I am mixing the Zikel True Match foundation and the L'Oreal Inflammable foundation because this pregnancy has made my face so much darker than my body. Usually I will use either of the two foundation, but here we are. Anyways, because I was going for an outdoor shoot and I needed that summer vibe on my face, I went in with an orange blush and a little bit of peach as well, just to get that perfect blush shade for that natural vibe that I was going for this my photo shoot. For concealers, I used the two concealers I used earlier, the Avoid and the Adventure concealers that I used for my brow to conceal my under eye and my T-zone area because those places are so dark, especially my under eyes. Then I powdered up, and of course I have to bake because Bamako heat is going to melt away everything. Anyways, I do not have to worry much about the heat melting away my makeup because this silk spray that I just used on my face is going to make sure that everything stays intact. And that was my final look. Let me know what you think. Now that I was done with my makeup, I packed a few things, my wigs and my change of outfit, so it's time for us to head out. We've gotten to the park and the park was so beautiful. I couldn't believe that this is the first time that I'm actually coming to this park. I've been in Bamako for like 5 years. I remember there was a time my husband brought us to this park, but it was already so late and we had to come back. But today, I was determined that I would let the kids enjoy themselves, play around, and me, I'm going to get that satisfaction from that sunlight that I've been craving for. Okay, nothing is stopping me today. So that's basically it. We just walked around the park, the kids were playing, and then we found a comfortable place with a bench. We had to sit down, fix my makeup, put on my wig, and we started the shoot. Was the most fun moment of my life, honestly. My friend and we actually met this girl sitting on the same bench with me. She's not in this video. She was so friendly and she even helped out with the kids. She helped out look after the kids while we take the pictures. The park was so crowded, and trust my kids to never stay one place. It's when you're calling them, they'll be running or shouting. But I'm so thankful for the girl for helping me out at least, and people there were so nice. Seriously, you guys want to know a secret? I'm really going to miss being pregnant. Okay, Mali people, they are so friendly towards pregnant women, honestly. I remember in February when I attended driving school, it was so fun for me just because I was pregnant. I got a lot of privileges and I got a lot of attention, and it was just so nice. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, being pregnant is so hard, but it's just so fun to see people making it seem easier for me. We did take a couple of lovely, beautiful pictures, which you are going to see in just a little while, posting the pictures separately on my post, on my community post. And so yeah, pictures were so nice. The day was so sunny and the sun was just raising my skin. As always, I am Somto Starr, and please stay subscribed. Mwah.